In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply to the University of Michigan in 2026, step by step. If you're planning to apply as a first-year student, the process is centered around the common application, the University of Michigan supplemental questions, and your required supporting documents. Since Michigan uses a holistic review process, it's important to understand that they are not only looking at grades, they also consider your course rigor, achievements, writing, and overall fit for the school or college you choose. To begin, go to the University of Michigan undergraduate admissions apply page and start your application through the Common app. If you don't already have an account, create one, then add the University of Michigan to your college list. From there, complete your general profile and make sure you select the specific undergraduate school or college you want to apply to, such as the College of Literature, Science, and the Arts, or the College of Engineering. This part matters because your academic interests should match the program you choose. Next, complete the University of Michigan supplemental questions. In addition to the main personal essay in the Common App, Michigan requires school-specific responses. One is the motivations essay, which is around 300 words and asks how you are prepared to contribute to the university's goals of developing leaders and how your experiences or the people in your life have shaped your path. The other is the Why Michigan essay, which is around 500 words and should clearly explain what attracts you to your chosen major and school at the university. Be specific here. Focus on genuine academic interests and meaningful experiences rather than writing something too broad. After that, send your supporting materials. Ask your school to submit everything electronically. This includes your high school transcript and school report, as well as one academic teacher evaluation. If you want to submit test scores, SAT or ACT scores are optional, and the university does superscore them if you choose to send them. If English is not your native language, you'll also need to submit official English proficiency scores such as TOEFL, IELTS, or Duolingo English test results. Finally, choose your application plan carefully. The University of Michigan offers multiple timelines. Early decision is a binding option with an early deadline of November 1st and a decision by December. Early action is non-binding, which gives you more flexibility. Regular decision has a deadline of February 1st. Before you submit, review every section carefully to make sure your essays, school choice, and documents all align. Once everything is complete, submit your application and keep track of deadlines so nothing is missed.